to this how-to video on the GGFormat package in R. The GGFormat package has been a boon for me so far in learning how to format code and formatting it automatically. If you're new to R like me, you have uh, probably started writing code that looks something like this, which has a lot of pipe operators in the same sentence or the same line, a lot of plus operators in the same line, and it looks pretty ugly overall. The GGFormat package allows you to just select this and convert it into a nice formatted uh, manner. So how you can install this is using the remote install GitHub command. If you give the command takes this as an argument where GTR3 is the project space and GGFormat is the package name. Now that we have installed it, we want to also use it. So to use it, we make sure that it is present in the add-ins, and we can just hit execute here. So that's pretty annoying usually because you have to select code and then make sure you've done things here and there. Rather, you could just give it a shortcut. How to do that is to go to Tools, go to Modify Shortcuts, uh, hit search for Format, and give a shortcut to the format ggplot. I've given it Control Q, and then you hit Apply, and you're good to go. So to use it, just select the code that you want to format, hit Control Q or whatever shortcut has been given, and your code gets formatted. This also works for such ggplot2 code, but where it does not work is if I have the same code, but I'm using a geom flow from the ggalluvial package, it considers ggalluvial to be a separate command than ggflow, than geom flow. And also, if I accidentally select the comment along with it, it is going to add the empty cache along. So as a part of my change, I have fixed these two issues and I've put the code here. So how I made this change is the next question that I need to answer. Basically, when you open any GitHub repository for a given R package, you have the option to fork that package. So when I hit fork, to me, it shows creating a new fork. It's not available because I already have forked it. So you will allow you to create one. I think that's pretty intuitive. After I create one, I need to just clone this particular repository. I copy this link from here, go to my command line, I hit git clone, and then the command line right here. That clones the package in wherever my location is. And then we can open that package in RStudio and make a change. Now, after the changes have been made, we also want to test these changes. To test them, we can use the load all uh, command that's available in the uh, DevTools package. Be sure to add double slashes to your paths because otherwise it might consider /u to be a escape sequence. Now that I've loaded the changes that I have made, I can show you the changes are reflecting here. When I hit Control Q now, it does not take empty cache here, whereas it keeps in the same line. Similarly, with the GG alluvial example that we had previously, it makes sure that a GG alluvial is on the same line. Now that I've made these changes, I need to commit them and push them into the repo that I have, right? So since I've already committed these changes, I'm going to make a change in the README file. So I'm just going to add a space here, which is a change enough. Then I'm going to save the file. I hit commit, and I select the file that I want to commit, which is the README file. And then it is recommended that you add a longer commit message. But since this is an example, I'm just adding a small change for the review. I commit this, and now the change has been committed into my local Git repository that I cloned. From here, I need to make the change into the forked repository on MySpace, which is what the git push command does. Feel free to use the git command from the command line if you're comfortable with that, and then push it here. And now that I have the changes in my uh, repo here, which is the one commit that got added here, I can hit this contribute and I open the pull request. Now, since I already have a pull request open, it just adds my commit to that pull request. and my pull request has just been updated. So I encourage everybody to ensure that they contribute back to the community that is giving them such nice packages to use day in and day out, and are able to learn more about R and contribute to the community as much as possible. Thank you.